Hello everyone. Today we are starting with fresh topic combination. We are doing this topic according to NCERT. First of all, the formula of combination is NCR equal to n factorial r factorial into n minus r factorial. And the combination is just nothing. What the grouping of things is known as a combination. Okay. As I already told you, the formula of NCR, that is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Let us remember one more formula for this particular purpose of combination, that is NCR is equals to NC n minus r. You have to remember this formula also for so many questions. Okay, let us start with exercise 7.4 of NCERT. Exercise 7.4, question number first. What it says, put your NCERT along with you so that you are able to understand each and every questions comfortably. It says if NC8 is equals to NC2, if NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. Find NC2. If NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. This is the question. Find NC2. So how we can calculate this particular question? See, what we need to do is, we know the formula of combination, that is NCR equal to NC n minus r. So NC8 is equals to NC n minus r. N is n, r is 2, NC n minus 2. It's quite easy to solve. Okay. Then it is n. If NC8 is equals to NC2, this implies n minus 2 equal to y. So this thing equal to this thing. Simple as that. So n minus 2 equal to 8, simply we can say n equal to 10. If n equal to 10, it means we have to calculate the value of NC2, that is 10C2. 10C2 is equals to, therefore 10C2 is equals to 10 factorial upon 2 factorial 10 minus 2 factorial. Simply we can say 10 into 9 into 8 factorial upon 8 factorial into 2 into 1. Obviously what 2 factorial means 2 into 1. It will be cancelled. It is 5 9s are 45. This is a required answer for question number first of your NCERT. Okay. Second question of NCERT, exercise 7.4. Same as first. You can do this also. I am doing one part for you. You have to do second part by yourself. I am doing first part of second question. Second question, first part. What it says, 2nC3 ratio nC3 is equals to 12:1. Find n. Find n. We have to find n only. That's it. Solution. How we can do this? See, what can I write 2nC3? What can I write 2nC3? I can easily use the formula of combination over here. The formula is 2n factorial upon 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial. Very easy. Ratio means to say upon, so n factorial 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial is equal to 12:1. Ratio is nothing but only one thing, that is upon. So I can write it as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial upon 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial whole upon, I am using ratio, I am replacing ratio by upon. This is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. This will be cancelled. This is again will be cancelled. 3 factorial is cancelled by 3 factorial. 12 upon 1. N is again cancelled with n. Okay. It is like 2 into 2n minus 1. I can take out common 2 from here. 2 into n minus 1 upon n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 12 upon 1. See, n minus 1 will again cancel. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. So we are getting only one thing, that is 2n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 6. Take n on one side, n equal to 5. This is our required answer. Okay, you are very much able to solve question number second part easily. It is just like same thing, 2 NC3 ratio NC3 equal to 11:1. You can easily calculate this particular question also. Now moving towards the third question. Now start with third question. What third question says is, how many chords can be drawn through the 21 points on the circle? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? We can draw how many chords? We can draw number of chords through 21 points on a circle is equals to 21C2. It's 21C2. Very easy to calculate. It is 21 factorial upon 2 factorial into 19 factorial. 21 into 20 into 19 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 19 factorial. 2 tens are 20. Answer is 210. Very easy to calculate. We can draw 210 chords through 21 points on a circle. Okay, moving to fourth question. How many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? See what we are given in fourth question. In fourth question we are provided with 4 girls and 5 boys. 5 boys are given, 4 girls are given. We have to pick any 3 boys and any 3 girls from here. We have to pick any 3 boys and any 3 girls from here to form a team basically. The number of ways to make a team of 3 boys and 3 girls from 5 boys and 4 girls is equals to 5C3 into 4C3. What is the value? This is for boys, this is for girls. 5C, what is the value of 5C3? This is this thing, and 4C3 is 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial. Simply you can solve this. This is like 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 into 1. Cut it out. 5 2s are 10. 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1. Cut it out again. 5 2s are 10. 10 4s are 40. This is a required answer. Okay. Easy. Question number 5th is again same as question number 4th. What you have to do is, you have to select 9 balls out of 6 red, 5 white and 5 blue balls. So answer is, I'm just telling you the answer. Now you know the concept very well. That is, in 5th question, what you need to do is 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3. Why? So you have to pick any 9 balls of 3 white, 3 red, 3 white, 3 green, blue color, sorry. So you can pick by this method. You can easily solve combination and find out the answer. Okay. Next is, determine the number of ways of 5 cards combination out of which 52 cards there is exactly 1 ace. See, there is exactly 1 ace. How many aces are there? There are 4 aces. So it is 4C1. I pick 1 ace. Total cards available is 52. 4 is already been picked up by us. So I am remained up with 48 cards. Because 4 is already, I used 4 cards already in this particular question in picking up the aces. It is 48C. In total we have to pick any 5 cards. So it is 4. Solve this. It is the number of ways. You have to write number of ways. You can do it by yourself. 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 48 factorial upon 4 factorial into 44 factorial. On solving this particular question, you will get, you have to solve it by yourself, 778320. This is our required answer. Hope so you got that particular question also. Now we are left with 3 more questions. Let us start with seventh one, sorry. Now seventh question says, in how many ways one can select a team of 17 players, team from 17 players out of which 5 players can bowl, if the team of cricket team requires 11 players and 4 bowlers must be there in a team. See, we are available with 17 players. We have to form a team of 11 players. 5 out of 17 can bowl. 5 out of 17 can bowl. We require 4 bowlers. So I can only select bowlers from bowler. 5 players can bowl, so I can select 4 bowlers from the players who can bowl. So it is 5C4. This is for bowlers. How many total players are available for us? That is 17. 5 already taken by me. So it is 12C. 4 is for bowler. 7 is for batsman. So the 5C4 into 12C7. You have to multiply these. 5C4, the value of 5C4, you know very well. The value of 5C4 is 5 factorial upon 4 factorial into 1 factorial. And the value of 12C7 is 12 factorial upon 7 factorial into 5 factorial. Just cut it out. But you are left with this thing. The answer for this is 3960. Now, you can easily do question number 8 by yourself. I am just giving you the hint of 8. Hint of 8 is 5 black balls and 6 red balls are available. You have to pick 2 from red balls, 2 from black balls and 3 from red balls. Do by yourself. Same question is question number 9th, and this is the last question that I am doing for you. Question number 9th, what it says, in how many ways a student can choose a 5 courses out of 9 courses available to a specific. See, total courses available are 9. Total courses available are 9 courses. 2 are specific. 9 courses are available to us. We have to pick 5 courses. Those 2 courses which are specific, I cannot choose those courses, so I am left with 7 only. And I have to pick 5 courses out of which 2 are specific. It is 7C3, because out of 5, 2 are specific, so I have to choose only 3. So 7C3 is the answer. And the value of 7C3, you know, 7 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial, you can easily solve by yourself, and answer seems to be 35. Okay. Now, you can easily do whole year NCERT. Homework is here. Complete chapter 7th chapter of NCERT. Okay. That's it. You can do miscellaneous by yourself. Comment me about the doubts in miscellaneous. Bye bye.